Hello, boys and girls. Do you know how to say a dog in Chinese? Yes, the answer is 一只狗. Why don't we use 个 in this phrase? In Chinese, we have so many mixture words to modified nouns. So today, we will learn how to use those three mixture words 只, 头, and 个. The word 只 is a dedicated mixture word. It can be used for some smaller size animals and some animals. 一只鸡, 一只兔子. One of the pairs. 一只鞋, 一只袜子. Some containers like bags and boxes. 一只箱子, 一只口袋. And also various ships. 一只船, 一只游艇. The word 头 is also a dedicated mixture word, mainly used for some large animals, like 一头牛, 一头羊. And it can also be used for garlic, like 一头蒜. The word 个 is the most widely used mixture word. It is mainly used for nouns that cannot be paired with a dedicated mixture word. For example, 一个人, 一个橘子, 一个月亮, 一个湖, 一个小时, 一个蛋糕, 一个碗, 一个梦, 一个故事, 一个句子. Have you learned how to use those three words? Let's have a quiz. Choose one mixture word from 个, 只, and 头 to fill in the following phrases. Okay, have you finished? Let's see the answer together. First one, 一个苹果. 苹果 is a noun that does not have a dedicated mixture word to match. So we should use 个 in this phrase. Okay, read it with me. 一个苹果，一个苹果。Second one, 一头大象。大象 is a large animal, so we should use 头 to describe it. Now, read it with me. 一头大象，一头大象。The last one, 一只老虎 or 一头老虎。Because 老虎 is a medium to large animal. Both 只 and 头 can be used to describe it. Now, read it with me. 一只老虎，一只老虎，一头老虎，一头老虎。Have you learned how to use those 3 measure words? Make a phrase with each of them in the comment below.